Hello, today is May 22nd, 2021, and I just wanted to make a YouTube video real quick about how this past week's went for me day trading. I had a mixed week. I was up 3 days and I lost 2 days, so I pretty much broke even. But I also sold all my Ethereum. I bought in at 1,600 and I was able to sell out at 2,800, so I made a nice profit. But it's been a rough week for anybody who's invested in crypto and cryptocurrencies. Ethereum was down as much as 30% this week, and Bitcoin, I think I seen it around 37,000 or so. I don't really have any money invested in Bitcoin at the moment, but it's definitely a tough time for anybody, in day trading cryptocurrencies, just because of what's going on in China and India. They're talking about banning cryptocurrency altogether, from what I understand. So, once again, on the bright side, I was able to buy back in Ethereum at 2,200. So it's basically, to me, that's a long-term investment. I mean, I'm not really putting a lot of my money into it just because it's a lot easier to make money on stocks. I mean, there's stocks that double in value every single day. Plus, I can't complain. I made, a 57% profit on Ethereum, minus the fees, which is one thing I hate about cryptocurrencies. They want to charge you to buy it, and then they charge you again to sell it, which if you just buy stocks, you don't have to worry about that. Some stocks that I'm watching for this up and coming week. One is MoneyGram, ticker symbol MGI. It's a safe stock to make an easy 2 to 5%, every week. Anytime it falls below $8, is a good time to buy. It always comes back in between the $8.20 range to $8.50. It's a pretty consistent stock, plus it's up from a year ago. It was at day trading around $3 a share, so it's had a very good year, to say the least. Another company that I like to invest in, that I'm watching, that I have on my watch list this week, is Square, ticker symbol SQ. It's dropped from its high from around $2.75 a share, and it went as low as $1.91, and right now it's trading around $200. From anywhere from $200 to $204 a share. Personally, I believe that's the stock that's going to go back up in value. Because of Cash App. It's definitely a good stock to invest your money in. And Tesla, has been having trouble for the past few months, and it had a fall in price from where I think it was up to around $700 a share to $700 or $800 to now it's back down to around $585 a share. And I think anytime that's below 600, it's a great time to buy Tesla, even though it's having all this trouble once again with Bitcoin. I believe that Elon Musk is going to be able to turn it around. And personally, if you want to day trade and make money on Tesla, what I always like to do is I like to buy Tesla in the pre-market, because you can make 1 or 2% in pre-market, no problem. Just sell the hype, because Tesla is always the number. is always probably one of the hottest stocks out there. And you know, every morning, if it's a green day for Tesla in the pre-market, you know, go ahead and buy at around 7 o'clock, and you know, by 7:15 or 7:20, you've already made, you know, 1 or 2%. And really, that's all you've got to make. I mean, you do that all week, you know, you're gonna make a nice profit, and by the end of the month, you know, you'll make 20-25% just by day trading Tesla in the pre-market, which is really all I try to get, 20-25% every month on my investments. And on the third stock on my list, Macy's has doubled in value in the past year. It's went from $9 a share to $18, and I think it pays a dividend. I mean, I think it's only like, you know, a penny or so, but anyhow, Macy's has finally gotten their act together, and anytime it falls below anytime it falls below $18 a share, I try to buy in. I try to buy into it around $17.75 or so, and then sell it around $18.25. So, and then the number 4 stock on my list is Roblox, ticker symbol RBLX. It's a very hot stock. It gained over 8% on Friday, and it's up to $82 a share. And it's a stock to watch this up and coming week. Personally, I'd wait till, you know, it has a red day before I buy back in. I mean, it debuted at, I think, $72 a share on its first day. Is where it ended up, and I believe this stock has the potential to go over $100. I mean, I don't know much about the company, but I'm just watching, you know, how popular it is, and I have friends that own some shares of Roblox, and apparently it's you can't really beat a company that's already went up 10% in its first month, you know. And then the number 5 company that I'm watching is PayPal. It's currently at $250 a share. I mean, and it's continuing to go back to go up slowly, but anytime it pulls back under $250, you know, that's a buy for me. That's a good time to get into it and to invest, and then try to day trade it and make you know, 2 or 3%, because you know its range is somewhere between 240 and 255 right now. And personally, I think that's, you know, it's a great company, and I believe that it's going to be like Nvidia and the rest of these companies, Adobe, you know, PayPal is it's probably going to go to $500 a share in probably the next year or so. Also, if you're into dividend stocks, I bought some more shares of Main, ticker symbol MAIN. It's a bank that's up over 17% in the past 3 months, and pays a dividend of 6%. And also, another dividend company that I bought into is Arbor Realty. It's a REIT, which pays a dividend of 7.886%, and it's up. And you know, Arbor Realty is up over 6% in the last 3 months. You know, I mean, it doesn't move a whole lot, but for a dividend paying company, you know, any company that pays, you know, over 7% in dividends, you know, if it's going up 5 or 6%, you're doing great. You know, it's a very popular stock. It just paid out its dividend, I think, on on Thursday or Friday. But that's another great company to own. And then my final company is ABV, ticker symbol ABBV. Its price target's $150 a share, and it's currently at $117. It's went up $17 this past month, so that's 17% for a company that pays a dividend of 5%, which really can't be beat. You know, I mean, those are the companies you're looking for if you're a dividend investor, because not only do they pay a nice dividend that's not getting cut, that continues to go up, but also the stock itself, which is really the main goal. That's a lot more important than having than a stock that pays a dividend. Is you want the company itself to go up in value, because you know what good's a company that pays 7 or 8% if the stock's going down in value. You know, you always want to make sure your principal investment's going up. Okay, well, that's all for this week. I hope everyone has a very profitable week this up and coming week. If you have any questions, or comments, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll answer them. Please, if this video has helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get it monetized. All right, thank you all for your support. I hope you all have a great week.